Oh, dog, I want that in your plate. But I just don't eat pork. You ever see lion and blood clot grass it? You ever see, brother, fuck off, brother, alone me alone. Brother, I just not eat pork. A pork, yes, a pork me and yam. Big tail, a blood clot pork me and yam. Since I have a problem, you have a problem.
Morning to everybody. Couple days ago, I come on the internet and I post a video kind of a prayer name thing, you see me? And a bag of people reach out to me and I'm not lie, I'm happy, you see me? So yeah, that video I be telling you a big thanks, you see me, for everybody who reach out, you see me? And you know, for yourself when I go see the progress, you see me? When I see the progress of everything, you see me? So thanks to everybody who reach out, whether by prayer, you see me? So thanks to everybody who reach out, whether by prayer, financially, emotionally, every alley. You see me? Really respect the strength, man. You see me? So yeah, a whole heap of manners and respect, man. You see me? To everybody who reach out to me, man. Bless up, man. You see me? And as me say, we can look out for great things. You see me? I mean him cornerstone boss. The stone the builder refused on the head cornerstone. Me this. You see me? So yeah, man. Everybody really appreciate it very much. So
I don't think it should be mandatory. I wouldn't demand to be mandatory, but I would do everything in my power. Just like I don't think masks have to be made mandatory nationwide.
Can we mandate vaccines across the country? No, that's not a role that the federal government, I think, even has the power to make.
We cannot require someone to be vaccinated. That's just not what we can do. It is a matter of privacy to know who is or who isn't.
No, definitely not. You don't want to mandate and try and force anyone to take a vaccine. We've never done that. We don't want to be mandating from the federal government to the general population. It would be unenforceable and not appropriate.
Fresh off of the boat. I don't know if I bullet there, that's something up there, sir. Jamaica is not it. Look on this, though. Yeah, man. Fully shot, daddy. This is normal. When you go on boat, you go fight against him and lock dog, yeah? Yeah, man. Go on fight.